जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री राम। તમે બધા કેમ છો? મજા આવે છે ને? On behalf of Kokila Mummy, Mukesh, Isha Anand, Shloka Akash, Radhika and Anand, congratulations on 25 glorious years of Jamnagar to each one of you. તમને બધાને જામનગરની રજત જયંતિ નિમિત્તે દિલથી અભિનંદન. આજે તો એવું લાગે છે, ખરેખર એવું લાગે છે કે રિલાયન્સ ફેમિલીનું રીયુનિયન છે. Friends, Jamnagar is not just a place. It is the soul of Reliance. It holds a very deep and dear place in our hearts. For Kokila Mummy, it is a Janma Bhoomi, the land of her birth, representing her roots and values. She is here with us today, and all this has been possible only because of her Ashirwad. Thank you, Mummy, for everything that you do for us. For Papa, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, Jamnagar was his Karma Bhoomi, the land of his vision, his dreams, his destiny, symbolizing his duty, dedication, and purpose. Yesterday was Papa's 92nd birthday. I am sure he is showering his blessings on all of us here in Jamnagar. For Mukesh, it has been his Shraddha Bhoomi, the land of devotion and respect. This is where Papa saw the big dream of setting up the world's largest grassroots refinery. And this is where Mukesh helped to bring his father's dream into reality. And for our children, especially Anand, it is his Seva Bhoomi, the land of his service and compassion. This is where he has found his purpose in life. ये जमीन सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं है, यह हमारे परिवार के सफल विश्वास और आशाओं का एक धड़कता दिल है. As they say, the soul keeps longing to return to its roots, and that is why we keep returning to Jamnagar to celebrate our most important milestones. Jamnagar has been where we have some of our happiest and most emotional moments in our lives. When I was setting up the township, Isha and Akash were merely 5 years old, and Anand was just 2 years old. And they would often join me on these work trips. And that's when I think their love for Jamnagar truly began. So much so that my youngest son Anand's first word was not Papa, not Mama, but Jamnagar. I still remember celebrating Anand's 5th birthday here with our township family. Mukesh's 50th birthday was also celebrated here amidst all of you, and it is one of our most cherished memories. And most recently, we celebrated Hastakshar, the coming together of our youngest Anand and Radhika at our Pavitra Radha Krishna Mandir. मैं आप सब से निवेदन करती हूँ कि आप सभी का आशीर्वाद हमारे बच्चों पर सदैव रहे. For Anant and Radhika, I seek your blessings. Friends, Jamnagar is our home, our haven, our heart, our foundation, our pride, our legacy, and our happy place. It is a land of dreams where human imagination meets nature's blessings. A place where we feel the presence of Papa, our founder chairman, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, every day and every moment. This is where I started working for Reliance. My first job at Reliance was to set up this township. Jamnagar at that time was an arid and dry desert area with just 2 trees in sight. With the support of so many of you, we planted over 3 million trees and created Asia's largest mango orchard and turned Jamnagar into a green sanctuary. Today, Jamnagar has transformed into Vrindavan, a living paradise where not only industries but life itself thrives. It is a land that fuels progress, fulfills dreams, shapes future, and is not just a story of transformation. It is history in making. અમારે માટે પૃથ્વી પર સ્વર્ગ હોય તો અહીંયા જ આપણા જામનગરમાં છે. આપણા જામનગર ગ્રીન્સમાં છે. Jamnagar has played a key role not just in Reliance's story but also in India's story, especially in advancing energy security. As we enter the next phase of our growth, Jamnagar will be the bedrock of our new energy business, marking a new era that will make India a global leader in green and clean energy, which is exactly what the world needs today, paving the way for a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come. Jamnagar is also home to Vantara, a sanctuary founded by our Anant with love, dedication, compassion, and his seva. Vantara is a research and rehabilitation center for abused, neglected, exploited, and endangered animals from all over the world. It is where those who cannot speak for themselves have found a home and hope and healing. The Vedas have taught us the philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family, and Vantara stands as a living testament to this. I welcome all of you and your children to come and experience nature in its full glory at Vantara. Friends, जामनगर की असली पहचान इसके लोगों से है. Jamnagar's essence is in its people, you, our family. Today, as we mark 25 years of this extraordinary journey, I want to acknowledge the extraordinary contribution of each and every member of our Reliance Parivar. Those who joined us right at the beginning, many of them are still here with us today, continuing to shape the story of our Reliance. We salute your tireless efforts, unbreakable spirit, and unwavering loyalty. You all are the true architects of Reliance Jamnagar. Today, let us also remember and honor those who are not with us today and thank them for their immense contribution to Reliance. I dearly and fondly remember my mentor, Mr. V.V. Bhatt, Mr. K.K. Malhotra, Mr. A.G. Davra, and many of them who have left an indelible mark in the story and success of Reliance. For me today, it is heartwarming to have Mrs. Bhatt and Mrs. Malhotra here with us in the audience. Please join us in giving them a big round of applause. And now a big shout out to all the new members of the Reliance family. Together with your energy, your enthusiasm and tireless efforts, we will script history, not only for Reliance, but for our country Bharat. कहाँ आप सब लोगों, हमारे सबसे नए मेंबर रिलायंस के, हम सब साथ में बोले, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, दिल में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब। And today, I would also like to thank some special people in this journey of Reliance, our incredible and wonderful spouses. हमारे सफर में, हमारी सफलता में आप सभी का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है. This journey would have not been possible without the support of the spouses. Their dedication, understanding, loyalty, patience, and countless sacrifices. Let's all give the spouses a big round of applause. हमारी संस्कृति में they say heaven lies at the feet of our parents, and their blessings are the most important source of our strength and motivation. I would like to take a moment to honor all our elders, the seniors, the Dada Dadis, the Nana Nanis of our Reliance family, whose love, wisdom and sacrifices have shaped us into who we are today. आप सब हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं. आप सबके आशीर्वाद से ही रिलायंस आगे बढ़ रहा है. मैं आप सबको सादर प्रणाम करती हूँ. And now to all my young children of the Reliance family, हमारे सबके प्यारे छोटे छोटे से बच्चे, they are the future of not just Reliance, but our country and the world. It is our children who will make the world a cleaner, greener, kinder, safer, happier, more inclusive, more compassionate world for all of us. हम सब की तरफ से हमारे बच्चे को ढेर सारा प्यार और आशीर्वाद. And prayers for their happiness, success and well-being. Friends, like every journey, our journey of 25 years has been one of highs and lows, of setbacks and triumphs, and obstacles and progress. But what shines through is our unbreakable bond, our unity, and our belief that nothing is impossible. मुझे आज भी याद है when Jamnagar refinery was 60% complete, we were hit by a devastating cyclone and then an earthquake. The international agencies were called in and they said it would take 9 to 12 months to control the damage caused by the havoc of nature. But this is where the indomitable resilience and unwavering spirit of the people of Reliance came in. With tireless efforts of our people and them working 24/7, we controlled the damage in just 14 days, a feat that nobody could achieve all over the world. You all have made the impossible possible. आप सभी हमेशा असंभव को संभव कर दिखाते हैं. रिलायंस सिर्फ एक कंपनी नहीं, ये एक फैमिली है, एक परिवार है, एक भरोसा है. यहाँ आप सभी हमारे अमूल्य रत्न है और आपका योगदान सबके लिए अमूल्य है. मैं आप सबका धन्यवाद करती हूँ, सल्यूट करती हूँ. May I request a thunderous round of applause for the incredible people of our Reliance Parivar. Please, a loud round of applause for the people back there. आप है तो जामनगर है, आप है तो रिलायंस है, आप है तो ये परिवार है. आप सभी रिलायंस की शक्ति है और रिलायंस भारत की शान है. आप सभी का दिल से धन्यवाद. साथ में बोलिए जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद.